What if I told you? Most people are still buying completely normal gadgets in 2026, while a hidden category of Amazon products is quietly changing how homes, cars, and even daily routines actually work? And no, these are not random tools or overpriced tech gimmicks. These are 21 genius-level gadgets that feel like they shouldn't even exist at this price point, yet they do. By the end of this video, you'll probably realize at least 3 to 4 things you've been doing the old way for no reason at all. And trust me, the deeper we go into this list, the better it gets. So make sure you watch till the end, because the last ones are on a completely different level. Let's get into it. What if you didn't just own a robot, but actually built its intelligence yourself? This isn't a toy, it's a fully programmable robot dog powered by open-source robotics. You can literally teach it how to walk, react, and interact using ROS systems. Schools are using it, tech enthusiasts are building real AI experiments with it. And the crazy part? It doesn't just move, it learns. A robot that feels like it came straight out of a sci-fi lab. This isn't a pet. It's your first step into robotics engineering. Why carry a full toolbox when one device can do everything? Meet the SES Nano Electric Screwdriver Pen. It looks like a pen, but it's a powerful 5-gear electric precision tool. It comes with 60 magnetic bits stored inside a premium aluminum case. So you always have the right tool ready for any small repair job. Forward and reverse controls make it extremely easy to use. And USB-C charging keeps it modern and convenient anywhere. It feels less like a tool, and more like cheating at DIY repairs. This is where things stop feeling normal. Because this isn't a clock. It's a full cyberpunk-style smart display for your setup. It connects through Wi-Fi and a mobile app for full customization control. You can display pixel art, system stats, or a personalized dashboard. RGB lighting transforms your desk or gaming room instantly. It feels more like a futuristic control panel than a clock. This isn't just time, it's a smart visual experience for your space. Most drivers still rely on mirrors, when technology can show everything in real time. Meet OTTOCAST Car Adapter. And the moment you install it, driving changes completely. It gives you a real-time 1080p HD view of your back seat directly on your car display. Split-screen mode lets you monitor navigation and rear seat together. No turning around. No distraction. No stress. Just plug it in and it works instantly. And suddenly, your car feels more intelligent than ever. Because this isn't just monitoring. It's complete driving confidence. Ever thought printing stickers could feel like running a mini creative studio at home? Yeah, this is not just a photo printer. It's a smart printing and cutting system that turns your photos into professional quality stickers. It prints in 300 dpi ultra-clear resolution for sharp, detailed output. Then it automatically cuts the design with a precision blade for perfect edges. The stickers are waterproof, fade-resistant, and scratch-resistant for long-term use. Everything is controlled through a simple smart app for easy customization. This isn't just printing, it's instant creative production in your hands. This is not normal cleaning. It's a fully automatic shoe washing and drying machine for your home. It washes, spins, dries, and sanitizes your sneakers in a single cycle. So you don't have to manually scrub or wait hours for drying anymore. The multi-brush drum reaches deep into every corner of the shoe. And hot air drying finishes the job so they're ready to wear again fast. This isn't shoe cleaning, it's automated sneaker care at home. This isn't just a travel adapter. It's a compact 100-watt gone fast charging powerhouse designed for global travel. It can charge up to 7 devices at the same time without slowing down. The built-in voltage indicator keeps everything safe and under control. It supports over 200 countries, making it perfect for international use. Dual 10A fuses add extra protection for your devices on the go. This isn't just charging, it's a global power hub in your pocket. Why should a wall clock just tell time, when it can manage your entire room? Meet Analog Digital Clock. It's a large 14.4-inch smart display built for clarity and convenience. It shows time, date, and temperature all in one clean interface. Auto-dimming adjusts brightness based on room lighting automatically. Remote control makes it easy to operate from anywhere in the room. It even includes night light, alarm, and DST features for daily use. Because now your wall doesn't just show time, it shows awareness. This is not a normal massager. It's a high-tech 4D massage system powered by AI-driven centrifugal rotation technology. It delivers deep heat therapy combined with advanced motion-based massage patterns. So it doesn't just relax muscles? It actively works on tension and recovery. You can even apply essential oils for a more therapeutic experience. It's designed to improve relaxation, circulation, and overall recovery efficiency. This isn't just a massage, it's intelligent recovery therapy for your body. At first, this sounds impossible. Printing on coffee? But it actually works. Meet Chino Printer. It's a portable printer that prints images and designs directly onto food and coffee. It uses advanced edible printing technology to create detailed visuals on foam or surfaces. So your drink can literally have logos, faces, or custom designs on top. Perfect for content creators, branding, or unique drink experiences. Because this isn't coffee anymore. It's edible expression. What if something metal falls into the worst possible place? Bolts, screws, nails, gone in seconds. It's a powerful telescoping magnetic pickup system designed for professionals. It extends up to 30 inches with strong reach and flexibility. With up to 40 pounds pull force, it easily grabs metal objects from tight spaces. Perfect for mechanics, technicians, or everyday repairs and emergencies. Because this isn't just a tool, it's reach beyond your hands. This is not just a phone stand. It's a two-in-one smart device that instantly connects your phone with built-in surround sound. No Bluetooth pairing, no setup, it connects in just 1 second. So your phone becomes a mini entertainment system instantly. It delivers HD audio with surprisingly rich and loud sound for its size. Perfect for videos, calls, or hands-free use anywhere. How small can a flashlight get before it stops feeling like a flashlight? Meet MagCoin. It's a titanium-built micro flashlight with magnetic quick-release design. Despite its small size, it delivers up to 300 lumens of powerful brightness. It offers 5 lighting modes for different situations and environments. With IPX7 waterproof rating, it works even in tough conditions. Rechargeable Type-C design makes it modern and easy to use anywhere. This isn't just light, it's compact tactical illumination in your pocket. Imagine your pool could actually warn you before danger happens? This device changes that completely. It uses AI monitoring plus real-time alerts to detect movement and unusual activity in your pool area. And it doesn't just notify you, it reacts instantly with a multi-layer alert system. Solar-powered. Always active. Always watching. It feels less like a gadget, and more like a silent guardian for your home. This is not just a fan. It's a 4-in-1 summer survival gadget combining cooling, power, and utility. It delivers ice-cooling airflow for instant temperature relief. It also works as a power bank with built-in charging cable support. Plus, it includes a foldable phone stand for hands-free use. And even a mirror function for quick personal checks on the go. This isn't just cooling, it's a complete portable summer system. Keys are usually messy, loud, and annoying? This fixes all of that instantly. It holds multiple keys in a clean compact system, and flips them out smoothly like a tool. But it also has a hidden flashlight, and smart tracking features so you never lose it. It even supports Find My Style location alerts. This isn't a keychain. It's a pocket survival organizer. And that's all 21 genius Amazon gadgets. From simple upgrades to straight-up futuristic tools, every product here proves one thing: smart living in 2026 is already here. Now tell me in the comments, which one was your favorite? And if you want more insane gadget finds like this, make sure subscribe to HomeGuard Tech, where everyday tech gets smarter, sharper, and next level. See you in the next one.